Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we will learn how to write a JavaScript program to determine the type of an angle based on its degree measure. You'll discover how to classify angles as acute, right, obtuse, or straight. The task involves determining the type of an angle based on its degree measure. For example, a 47-degree angle is acute, while a 145-degree angle is obtuse. Let's see how to implement this in JavaScript. This is the JavaScript implementation to classify angles. The program uses conditional statements to compare the angle's measure and return the appropriate type. The function evaluates the angle using a sequence of conditional checks. Based on the value of the angle, it returns the corresponding type as a string. In this case, the input is 47. Since 47 is less than 90, the program correctly identifies it as an acute angle. This example uses 90 as the input. The program checks the condition and identifies it as a right angle. The ES6 version uses an arrow function for cleaner and more concise implementation. The logic remains the same, but with modern syntax. To summarize, this program uses simple conditional logic to classify angles. It's an effective approach to solving problems involving numerical ranges. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.